Hello, my name's Hazel and I'm going to show you how to plant up a pretty spring container using some little daffodil bulbs and some bedding plants. So a little spring container on your doorstep will look wonderful, or on your patio, somewhere that you're going to sit every day, just to give a little boost at this time of year. So first of all, you need a container like a little window box or a patio bowl. Just make sure it's got some holes in the bottom because these kind of plants like some good drainage. And then if you've just got a little bit of broken crocks or something, just to cover up the holes to stop the compost falling through, but still allows water to drain out because the plants don't want to be sitting soggy. So there you go, so just some few crocks over the holes in the bottom. And then you just need some compost. Peat-free multi-purpose compost is absolutely fine. And fill your container to about halfway. And then just check how deep you want it to be. So when your pots are planted in here, you want them to be just below the rim of the pot so that when you water, the water doesn't run off the edge. So I think that's fine. Now I've chosen some of these. So I've got some pinks, and these primroses have got a lovely yellow centre which will pick up on the yellows of the daffodils. And then we've got some lovely little Dianthus. This one is called I Love You. Smells really beautiful as well. And then a little bit of ivy to soften the edge. And something like this would be perfect to make your mum as a Mother's Day gift. So I'm going to put in the daffodils first. Just tease the roots off the bottom if the roots are coming through, which you might get on daffodils because they do produce quite a bit of root. And then gently ease the pot off. Tease the roots out a little bit. And then position those. I'm going to position that sort of towards the back. Just want to make sure that's in the right depth. And then work your way towards the front. Again, just tease out the roots a little bit as you put them in. Helps the plants to form new roots into the surrounding compost. This Dianthus is really pretty and very popular as well. And then the primrose. Again, just very gently. This doesn't need much teasing because they're quite loose, these roots. Pop that one in there. Make sure it's at the same level of soil as the other plants. And then a little bit of ivy at the front. That will just help to soften the edge of the pot. And I've chosen, there's so many different types of ivy, but I've chosen one here which has got a little bit of yellow on the leaves, again to pick up the yellow from the daffodils. And then once you've done that, fill in around the gaps with some compost. You don't necessarily want to press the compost down because that can just make it compacted. Sometimes just giving the side of the pot a little bit of a tap and a shake will just help to settle the compost around the roots without actually squashing anything. A little bit more on that side, and then we're done. That would make a beautiful gift for your mum for Mother's Day, or just a really lovely pot to have by your front door.